Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming power and inputs. Don't assume the cable is fine. First, swap HDMI or display port and try a different outlet so you rule out simple faults. Once done, boot into BIOS or safe mode to see if the screen responds before Windows or Mac OS loads. That tells you if it's software. Make sure to record recent changes like driver updates, accidental drops, or firmware flashes because those clues guide the next repairs. Now you move into more detailed fixes. Update or roll back the GPU and display drivers to the recommended release because driver mismatches often cause freezes. If you have an external monitor, connect it. If it works, the GPU and OS are okay and the internal panel or cable is suspect. Next, shut down, unplug, and reseat the video cable or replace it. Bent pins or loose connectors can stop the screen intermittently, so visually inspect connectors while you're at it. Finish by isolating and replacing the failed component in sequence. If the external monitor worked and cables are good, replace the display assembly or the inverter/backlight system because those parts fail with age or impact. After each replacement, test the device to confirm the fix. This prevents unnecessary parts changes and helps you document serial numbers and warranty claims. If the issue persists, perform a CMOS reset, and if still unresolved, seek professional diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.